This is my cabin tour of 11575 virtual interior balcony, Utopia of the Seas, 11575. So we're gonna start in the balcony, or in the bathroom. Start in the bathroom, and you got your shower with the glass door instead of the curtain. Got your all-in-one, which is pretty common on this ship. You got plenty of storage, easily for one or two people. Might be a little bit more cramped for more, but you can make do. You're on vacation. We go over here, we've got this vanity with, looks like European and USBs, A's, and American plugs. And this vanity lights up. Got plenty of drawer space. You've got your cooler. This couch does not open up, so it just sleeps one, or it doesn't, yeah, so it's just one. You've got a little bit of hanging space, plenty of shelves, safe, drawers. It's pretty standard, and they were nice. I'm doing a back-to-back, so they moved all my stuff in here already. Plenty of hanger space in here. This one's a lot bigger, this closet is. And we'll go step over here. Got this full-length mirror and your flat screen TV and your king bed with USB-C, US plug, and light switch. Come over to the other side, and you have the same thing, but you have the master switch to the room on this side of the bed. So the virtual balcony is, you don't have obviously a real balcony, but you have the screen which has a picture. Obviously the camera on this side of the ship is pointing out to the parking lot, so that's what we're seeing right now. But if you don't want to look at that, you can close it, and we'll see how much of a difference that makes. Yeah, so I hope the TV's on, but you know. So that's with the curtain closed. So there we go. That is my cabin tour of 11575 Utopia of the Seas. If you would like any more information about these cabins or would like to book one, feel free to reach out and let me know.